Okay, so for today, I'm going to discuss word problem involving parabola. So, paano tayo mag-solve ng mga situation or situational problems na may parabolic, may mga involvement about parabola. So, I will give 2 examples. So, I have here prepared one muna, then later we will discuss another one. So, we have here, okay, a satellite dish has a shape called paraboloid, where each cross-section is a parabola. Since radio signals parallel to the x-axis will bounce off the surface of the dish to the focus, okay, we have here to the focus, the receiver should be placed at the focus. So, dapat yung receiver daw nasa focus natin. Okay, so we have here, how far should the receiver be from the vertex? So, how far from the vertex? If the dish is 12 feet across and 4.5 feet depth at the vertex. Okay, so we're going to illustrate. Illustrate muna natin. This is our illustration. So this will be your y-axis and this will be your x-axis. So since we have here our paraboloid, or that is at the center, so we have here our center is 0, 0. So we have here 12 feet across, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so 6, negative 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so let's assume. So, since 12 feet across, so ito yung makover niya is equal to, that is 12 feet. Okay. Then we have 4.5 feet depth at the vertex. So this is your vertex. Ito yung vertex natin. This is 0, 0. Then, dito yung 4.5. So, 4.5 daw yung height niya, or yung depth niya pala. Sorry. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Ito yung 5. So, this is 4.5. So, this is your 4.5. This is 4.5 feet. Okay, if this is our we have here, this is our illustration. This is our parabola, so we have, okay, we have here like this. Okay, so we have here, this is our endpoints of the lattice rectum. So, ganyan ha, that's our endpoint. So, we have here, so yan yung parabola. So, that is our parabola, or that is the part of the paraboloid. So, we have here 4.5. We have here our vertex, and we have 12 yung distance nila. Okay. Since this is facing upward, so the orientation of the graph will be at the vertical. So that is general equation natin, or I mean the standard equation. We have x minus h quantity squared is equal to 4. We have here 4a y minus k. Okay. So since our vertex is 0, 0, so we have here x minus 0 squared is equals to 4a y minus 0. And okay, we're going to do this x squared is equals to 4a. Then our y is 4a y. Okay, this is our equation. So now, to find our focus, we need to solve for our a. So how are we going to solve for our a? So our x, so let's have, okay, so we have here our x. This is 6 and 4.5. Okay, so we have here our x, that is 6 squared is equals to 4a 4.5. Okay, so by solving that one, we have 4 times 4.5, that is 36 is equals to 18a. So our a now, that will be 36 divided by 18, so this is equal to 2. So our a is 2. Therefore, so to solve for our focus, So the focus will be, so focus natin that is H, K plus, since positive yung A natin plus A, K. So F is 0 and so 0 plus 2 will be focus will be 0, 2. Therefore, the receiver must be 2 units away. I mean 2 feet. So 2 feet away. 2 feet away from the vertex. Okay, from vertex. Okay, so dapat dito yung receiver natin. So this 1, 2, dito yung focus natin. Dapat nandito yung receiver. So dapat nandyan yung receiver natin. That is 2 feet away from the vertex. So that is our focus. Okay, so that's how you solve this example number 1. Okay, so if clear na ito, and if you do not have question, or if you have question, write it down. I will answer it in our virtual class. If you don't have, then okay, let's proceed to the next example. So we have here our word problem number 2. So we have here the cable of a suspension bridge hangs in the shape of a parabola. The towers supporting the cable are 400 feet apart and 150 feet high. So if the cable at its lowest is 30 feet above the bridge, at its midpoint, how high is the cable 50 feet away horizontally from either of the towers? So first we're going to illustrate this one. So we have here, this is our illustration, this is Y, and this is our x-axis. Okay, so if we have here, let's have this by 50. So this is 50. This is 100, 150, 200. Negative 50, negative 100, negative 150, and negative 200. Then we have 50, 100, 150, 200. 250, we have 300, we have 350, we have 400. Okay, so let's assume this one. Okay, so we have here, first we're going to, this is our, dito yung ano natin. Nandito yung tower natin, that is dito sa 200. So, nandyan yung tower natin. So, since this is 400 feet apart. Then, 150 high. So, this is 150 high. So, dito yung height natin. So, 150 high. Okay. So, yan tayo. 150 high. So, let's write it down. So, shorten natin yung tower. Shorten natin yung tower. Okay. Okay, then the cable at its lowest is 30 feet above the bridge. So 30 feet above the bridge. So this is the bridge. 30 feet siya above. So let's assume dito yung 30. So nandiyan yun. Ano ng bridge natin, yung vertex ng bridge natin is located dito. So if we're going to draw this one, so let's try to draw. Assuming that it's a perfect parabola. So, ganito yung cable natin nakaganyan. So, we're going to find the height of the cable 50 feet away from either of the towers. So, this is 50 feet away. So, ito yung 50 feet away, ha? 50 feet away. So, ano yung, natin dito? Gano'n to siya kataas. Okay, gano'n to kataas ang cable dyan. So, this will be 150 and question mark. So, ano yung y natin dito? 150 and y. So, what will be the value of our y, or what's the height of the cable if that is from 50 feet away from the tower, or that is 150 feet away from our midpoint. Okay? So first step, we're going to write the standard equation. That will be x minus h quantity squared is equals to a. So let's assume let a be equal to 4a. So let's use a. Okay. Then we have a is equal to, a times y minus k. Okay, ano na yung value ng h natin? So our vertex is, ito yung vertex natin ha. So our vertex is 0, 30. Okay. So yung h natin is 0 squared is equals to a y minus 30. Okay, so we have x squared is equal to a y minus 30. So that is the that is our standard equation. So after that, we're going to substitute now the values of our x and y. So substitute the values of x and y. So how to substitute? We have here our x will be 200 and 150. So ito yung magiging coordinates natin. So we have our x, this is our x, this is our y. So x is 200 squared is equals to a 150 minus 30. So we have 200 squared is equal to a times 120. So a will be equal to 200 squared over 120. So this is 40,000 over 120. So this is equal to, okay, 40,000 divided by 120, that is 1,000 over 3. I think that is right. Yeah, that is 1,000 over 3. Check natin. So we have 40,000 over 120 is 1,000 over 3. Okay, so we have now the value of our a. So now let us solve for this vertex. So we have to solve for this y in here. So solve natin yung y dito. Okay. So since our parabola has the equation of x squared is equal to 1,000 over 3 times y minus 30. So we're going to substitute now the values of this one, x and y values here. So we have 150 squared is equal to 1,000 over 3 times y minus 30. So this will be, we have here, so cross multiply natin, we have 3 times 150 squared. So ito yun ha, is equal to 1,000 y, 1,000 times y minus 30. So we have 3 times 150 squared is equal to 67,500 equals to 1,000 y minus 30. So divide the whole expression by 1,000. So 67,500 divided by 1,000, that is 67.5 is equal to y minus 30. So transpose natin yung 30. So we have y is equals to 67.5 plus 30. This is 97.5. So the height of the cable, is 97.5 feet. Yan yung height ng cable natin if that is 50 feet away from from either of the towers. So ito, this is, okay, so this will be now 150 and 97.5. Dito naman, the same. This is negative 150, 97.5. So, yan yung height ng cable natin if that is 50 meters away from either of the tower. Okay? So, yun lang. Yan yung second problem natin. So I hope you understand. So if you have question, again, do not hesitate to ask me. Just comment below your question or you can message me sa Messenger or sa Schoology account natin. Okay? So I will link this video now to our Schoology account. Bye-bye. Hope you understand something. Bye!